Świadom miły mi, że nie mam serca. Czego się po mnie spodziewasz, jak jestem jeszcze dzieciak? Wybacz mi mała, uwierz, ja uczę się na błędach.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am enjoying nightlife in what's it called? What's this area called?
It's Ankara area.
Oh, Ankara area. I'm with my long friend Kaula.
Yeah, I miss you too much.
We featured in one. We did one
Two?
video together.
Yeah, before
just like
3
acting.
years. Yeah,
But since then, since 2020.
yeah.
2020, yeah, that's true. I tried Tunisian food and it was very nice, which we actually have the same thing.
Couscous.
Yeah, couscous. We actually have the same thing in Nigeria too, by the Hausas, couscous.
Yeah.
So now, I've never tried scooter before. So she wants me to try scooter.
Yeah, bim bim.
Bim. Maybe when I try it and I know how to drive, I'll be renting it when I come around here or something. So that's what we are going to now.
Eventually.
I'm on a scooter. I'm so scared right now, but I'm on a scooter. I feel like a baby. Bim bim. So fun.
Yeah.
Bim bim.
Bim bim.
We are on the express and I'm so scared right now. Bim bim.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.
The next day.
Hey, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning,
It's-
Istanbul.
So it's the next day. I slept over at her house, at a place, and then she treated me like a princess that I am. But now we are out to eat breakfast. From there, I'll be going home. So we're just looking for a place to eat. And yeah, yesterday you guys saw me drive scooter. Bim bim. It was so fun. It was so fun. I'm going to check if they have it in SNU. So yeah, it was so fun to drive.
Few inches later.
Hey guys, so we are done eating and I'm on my way to take the tram to go home. And thank you, Kaula.
Welcome, baby. Anytime.
Thank you for the
I will miss
fun
you.
weekend. I will miss you
you
also.
too.
Yeah, I'm going home and I will see you guys when I see you. Okay?
3 days later.
Hey guys, good morning guys. Good morning. It's morning and I'm going to the gym and I will take you guys along with me. And later today in the evening, I am going to Ankara to get my passport. Tomorrow is my appointment to get my passport, but I'll be taking the night train to get my passport tomorrow. Yeah, I'm just going to the gym, walking to the gym, and I will let you guys know when I get to the gym. Okay?
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
The next day.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
This cup is so nice. It's so nice. I've forgotten the name. Mocha-Cola or something. It's very nice. Tired. I feel sleepy. There's just a lot. There's just a lot at this point. So yeah. I wanted to take the sleeper train. Like I took the sleeper train, right? But I didn't take the one I could sleep comfortable. If that makes sense. I took the sleeper train, but not the one that I could sit. I could sleep comfortable, like lay down. Because when I was checking the price, please tell me why for me to sleep on a bunk bed, why is it like 500 Turkish lira? Why can't I just take flight? Why can't I just take flight instead if I want to take 500 Turkish lira train ride? Just to come to Ankara, and then I will still take I will still take another train going back to Istanbul. So I'm like, nah, it is a no for me. So I prefer to sit down in my economy seat and then be okay, which I did, but it was not the comfort, like it was not the best position to sleep. Coupled with the fact that I walked out yesterday. Yeah, it's already yesterday. Coupled with the fact that I walked out yesterday and so I was not really comfortable, but sitting down the seat was very comfortable, but trying to sleep is where the problem is. I'll see you guys because I didn't bring my cord for my camera, so I'll see you guys when I am at the embassy or when I'm done at the embassy and heading home. So yeah, bye.
Later.
Hey guys, what's up, what's good? Finally I am done with this passport shenanigan. I'm done with this passport shenanigan. I am done and dusted. I've collected my passport and just for me to start applying for different countries. As if my passport can apply for different country. Anyways, I'm done and dusted. I'm not coming to Ankara till like further notice. Maybe if I'm planning a vacation to come to Ankara, doesn't I'm going to come to Ankara. But for passport, I'm done. So yeah, this is past 11. When I was booking my train, I was actually thinking of booking it to like 3:30, but I'm like, let me just try 1 o'clock, and if I miss it, I miss it. And yeah, my train is by 1 o'clock and I can't wait to go home. I want to sleep. I feel sleepy, I'm hungry, I'm sleepy, I'm restless, I'm just everything, every single thing you can think of. That's where I am right now. But the fact that I've gotten my passports with all these passports wahala, thank God, alhamdulillah. So yeah, I'm going to take the bus, and from there we are going to the train station. Maybe I will look for something to eat, I don't know. And because it's economy I took, they don't serve food in economy. It's just the business class, they serve food. They don't serve food in economy. So yeah, I'm going to look for something to eat and call it a day. And I'll see you guys when I get back to Istanbul. Okay? Yeah, bye. I'm inside the train already. I'm eating my food. I'm so hungry. Let me show you guys my food. Rice, onions and some leaves. This is bread and chicken. See you guys when I'm done eating.
Our train will stop in this station for 1 minute. Please check your belongings before you leave and do not forget your belongings on train.
I'm done eating. Not like done. Let me take off this cap. Okay, so I'm done eating, but not like done. But I couldn't finish it, so I'll be taking the rest home. And I feel fulfilled now. Now I can try to catch small sleep. I didn't sleep yesterday night. I was just sleeping like bed, sleep, wake up, sleep, wake up, sleep, wake up. And I'm looking so summer. I'm looking so tired. I'm looking so, I don't even know, shy, but you know the vibe. And this economy seat is actually very comfortable also. I'm very comfortable sitting down here. There's enough leg room. There is, let me show you guys. Like even this table is bigger than the business class own, and I like this cup holder or water holder or something because it's actually nicer than business class own. And there's personal trash can, and I have the same thing. This leg rest, I have the same thing, and it's pretty comfortable. Anyways, like it's pretty comfortable. Economy price is 151 Turkish lira, while the business one is like 250 something. It's like 200 upward. That's the business class one. My battery will die very soon. It's on 90%, and I didn't put the cord yet. So I'll see you guys when I see you. Okay. I'm just so glad I've gotten my passport. I'm so glad. I'm happy that I've gotten my passport. And yeah, see you guys in Istanbul.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Hey guys, good afternoon. I've been looking for a way to end this vlog since my sister decided to take us out today. And yeah, I know my last clip I was telling you I'm going to meet you guys in Istanbul. Yeah, I'm back to Istanbul. I'm back, and then we are just in a restaurant. We want to eat in the mall. We want to eat first before going around. Essie, say hi. Say hi. We ordered for food already. Anytime I go to a restaurant, I'm always just picking one thing. Like one thing, which is noodles. I like these restaurants for one thing. See what they gave Essie. Coloring book. You love it? Yeah, hey guys, so we are in this play ground something, and there's this thing I want to try. Let me show you guys. been scammed. I am not sure that is what we pay for. That is not what we pay for. I'm looking for something else to do. I'm a baby today. I'm a baby today.
You're just going on the train. You're not even going anywhere. Scream out now. Okay. What's up? You enter inside water. Hey.
It was so fun. Like, it was so fun, but very, very scary. Like, so fun. I loved it. See the way I'm sweating. Everything is just doing me. Whew. I will see you guys when I see you. Oh yeah. How many? Hey guys, so we are going back home. I'm going to be ending the vlog here. I really enjoyed myself because I was screaming like a baby. That thing was not a joke. It was scary. Stay well, stay awesome, and most importantly, always be the best of yourself. And I will definitely see you guys in my next videos or my previous ones. Bye.